4. Multi-step assembly of E-drives and precision modules. Fastening, part fitting, disassembly one after another. Manual work can't lift the cycle time, yield wobbles, and switching mixed models is painful. The answer is a flexible assembly cell built from a turntable plus a collaborative robot. The turntable links the steps across stations, the Cobot works fenceless right beside people, and one cell chains the whole multi-step flow. Why a collaborative robot? It's fenceless and compact, drops straight into an existing station, and shares a worktop with people. No major line rebuild for safety. The barrier to entry is low too. Drag to teach. Pull the arm through the path once, and it remembers. Switch products in minutes. No dedicated programmer needed, and ordinary operators can set up the line. The turntable is key. Stations run in parallel. Fastening, fitting, and disassembly proceed without waiting, cutting the cycle time. Every bolt's torque is closed loop and log per fastener, holding yield from the source. How to choose. First, how many steps and do they need parallel stations? That sets the turntable. Second, how heavy the load. Precision parts usually stay under 20 kilograms. That sets the Cobot. Third, does fastening need traceability and how many mixed variants? That sets closed-loop torque and the job library. The same turntable plus Cobot multi-step assembly logic fits new energy E-drives, precision pumps and valves, 3C electronics, and home appliances. A variant change is just a program edit, no retooling. Building a flexible line for multi-step assembly of E-drives and precision modules? Talk to us about turntable plus collaborative robot systems.